cool, so cool. Ooh, so cool, so cool, so cool. Yeah. Yes, sir.
It looks like Royalty and CJ So Cool are trying to work things out. But as of right now, it just looks like she's letting him spend time with the kids for the moment, because yesterday she posted on Instagram saying, "Who said we back together? You or me?" So as of right now, guys, we don't know what's gonna happen between CJ So Cool and Royalty. Hopefully he uploads another video today to let us know what's going on with him and the family. Drop a like on the video if you think CJ So Cool and the family will put everything in the past and move forward. That's all the news I have for you guys for today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new.
Yes, sir.
DizzyDiddy.com